Hey guys, Kyle from Minuteman here. Hope you guys are doing well, staying safe in this kind of crazy time. Coming from my garage to bring you an update video on some of the improvements we made to the EZ Mop that are now in full production. Some welcome changes, some things I know a lot of you guys have mentioned in the past, so I wanted to go through those. We'll have a more robust video that I'll be putting up on YouTube later on. And then we also put on a technical bulletin to send all you guys so that you're kind of aware of the changes, but this is something that you could use today just to kind of know what's going on and communicate that to your customers and anybody else that's interested. So try to keep this short and sweet, but the first thing I wanted to mention is this float shutoff that's now on all the tanks here. And then also on the back of the machine here is where it locks into. This will lock the shut the recovery tank off when it is full. So that's a welcome change. I know that a lot of you guys were asking for that, so that's now standard on all the model. Another improvement, this neck thickness has gone from 4 millimeters to 6 millimeters. You can also see we've added a pad and a sticker on here that shows you which way is up, which way is down, but also so it takes the rough edges off the stainless steel. It's another improvement. The labels also extend to the back of the machine on the squeegee assembly. So you'll see it has labels for pull up, push down to kind of show you exactly how to operate that function. But one of the main changes to that is right here. So the former setup was that of a hook that you had to manually lift up. Now all you do is push down on the squeegee to lower it and push it back up to lock it back in place. That we used to bend a lot of these, people wanted to step on it. Now it's as simple as just pushing it down, picking it up from the left-hand side. The main brush shafts at the bottom of the machine, another major change. Prior machines, these were all plastic. They're now aluminum, so a lot more robust. They've changed the gaskets as well. These are a little bit more, these are corrosion-resistant gaskets as well. So just really stiff construction on here. The squeegee assembly also has some small adjustments that can be made on the tracking wheels, so that if you do need to make any minor adjustments based on the performance or how it's sitting on the floor, you can do that. And it'll also help you get a little bit closer to the walls the way these squeegees are now flared and cut. A couple other things I wanted to show you is on the front side of the machine, the gaskets have been replaced from standard foam to silicone, so these are now corrosion resistant. There's also a larger gasket on the recovery tank to allow for a better seal from the vacuum. The motor wiring is now encased in PVC netting, and then also you can see underneath that it's actually in a stainless steel spring to protect all the wiring so that it won't pinch, crimp, or strip any of those wires. The last thing I want to show you quickly is the battery casing. So it's still a lithium-ion battery, but it actually has, instead of that chintzy little handle, it actually has a full cap on it to fully seal the battery, which makes putting it in and out a lot easier, and it kind of takes a lot of the stress off the connector piece. So those are just a few of the changes that I wanted to mention to you guys that we've made. All these are in production. Like I said, we'll be doing a more comprehensive video at a later time, but I wanted to get you this update so that you can get along to your customers. And let me know if you have questions, email, call, but hope everybody's doing well. We'll talk to you soon.